What's up, everybody? It's your boy Black Hammer coming at you again with another tutorial video about this beast of a scooter, the Yume Osprey. I'm going to change the tire from the super aggressive off-road tire to a more all-terrain tire with probably produce less road noise. But there's some cool stuff I found out about this scooter that they don't advertise that I think everybody should know, because it's got some of the same qualities as some of the super expensive beast scooters like the Dualtrons. So let's get to it. So first and foremost, you're going to have to take off this screw and these two screws. They're on both sides, so you can take off this heavy duty fender. Then once you take this off, you're going to crack that loose. You're going to crack this loose. You're going to crack these two loose. And those two go all the way through. You got to take off the fender to get to the tire. So you're going to loosen these. And after this is off, I wedged it open and the tire falls down. Or you can leave the tire on the brake side and just take the swing arm off, and you can take the rim off the motor without taking the whole tire off, which I found out messing around with this tire, and I'll show you the screws I'm talking about. So what I just learned about the Osprey is there are 5 small screws here, 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 here. If you unscrew those 5, you can take the rim off the motor. So you can swap it just like the Dualtrons and some of the higher up, more expensive big scooters. So if you just had rims with off-road tires or rims with street tires, you can quick swap them, and they're tubeless. I just learned that changing this tire, because I just took this off, and as you can see, it's tubeless. As you can see, it's split rim, and the rim comes off, and now I have a run flat, less aggressive for smoother riding, because you get a lot of road noise with this, which I don't mind, but I think it kills some of my mileage. And this one is a lot smoother, so we'll see how it goes. When I get it back together, I'll show you. So I'm changing the tire on the Osprey, and it is split rim, and it has an O-ring right here, and they are tubeless tires, so that's kind of impressive, because I got a flat and I thought I had to put tubes in it. But now I just bought some run flat tires with the goo in them, so we'll see how these work. I'll get back with you when I put it back together. So there's an O-ring that gets compressed between these 2 rims, and it goes in here along that lip right there. So I just aired up this tire, and it didn't blow up in my face. I put, everybody needs one of these, by the way. I just put 36 PSI in here. It only requires 50 for a 300 and something pound rider, so I'm gonna start with, yeah, right here, 50 PSI for a 331 pound rider, but I just put 36 pounds to see what it's gonna do, and we'll check back in a second. I'm pretty proud of myself, because this is the first time I changed a tubeless tire, and I kind of like how this tire looks. I really like the profile of this tire. I think it's gonna be a lot smoother than that on the road. and I bet get better mileage, even though the scooter already gets like going fast, gets like 60-mile range on a full battery. But I'm finna connect everything back together and let you know. Got it all put back together. I really like this tire. I think it's gonna be a smoother ride. It feels like a lot softer rubber, so it may or may not last as long, but we'll see. Not that this tire ain't good, but I didn't know it was tubeless, but now I do. So now I'm gonna change the front one too.